Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the sign-in option is disabled because of failed sign-in attempts. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here, all you have to do is to then go for your restart button, which is probably going to be on the bottom right of your section. And then you're going to hold shift on your keyboard. Make sure to keep holding shift and then click on the power button and then restart. Once you click on hold shift and then click on restart, it's going to then pop up with this window. Then from here, you're just going to click on troubleshoot. Once you click on troubleshoot, then you're going to click on the advanced options button. Once you click on the advanced options button, you're going to click on the startup settings, which is going to be right here. And then from the startup settings, you're going to click on the restart button. So this will make sure to force it to boot up in the safe mode. Now, once you click on the startup button, it might show this window. So once you see this window, either click on 5 or F5 since we want to enable safe mode. Once you do that, then it's going to just load up the normal Windows experience but in a safe mode. So you're going to just click on the Windows button right here and you're going to restart your computer. And once you restart, then it's going to restart it normally and you will be able to sign in normally. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.